Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll look at for loops in Python. Okay, so I've opened the Python idle as we had looked at this in the last video. So here what I'll do is I'll click on this file on the top left corner and I'll open new file. You can also do that by pressing Ctrl N, that is the shortcut for it. So I'll open a new file, right? So this is my new file and this is editable file. The Python idle file was not editable. Okay. So in this, we are going to look at what is a for loop in Python. Now, whenever you want to put nodes in Python, you can also always create your nodes and put a hashtag there, hash. Okay, so Python will not read that line wherever it encounters a hash, that file is only for your reference and Python will not read it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take a simple list now. You know what is a list. So I have a list here. So by a for loop, what I mean is by the word loop, what do you understand by the word loop? Okay, something which repeats itself. Okay, so for loop, to begin a for loop, okay, you will declare the word for. So I want to apply the for loop to the entries of this list A. Okay, so I can use a dummy variable here I. So for I in, I'll put the name of the list A. Okay, this is how you begin with the for loop and a colon there. Okay, press enter. This will give you an automatic spacing here. Okay, this space is called indentation and you are not supposed to disturb this space. Okay, so whatever space comes after hitting enter here, you will start working from there. So what I want to do is for I in A. So I is like a enumeration for the entries of A. What I want to do is I want to print the squares of I. So I'll print, open the round brackets, I square. So how do you put a square? You will put double asterisk there and 2, right? So what this will do is it will take the first entry of A, which is I is equal to 1 and it will square it. Then I is equal to 2, it will square it. So basically it will give you squares of all the entries in this list A, right? So this is what we have. Now I'll run this file. So you can see run here on the top bar. Click on it and click run module. So first it will ask you to save the file. So I've created a folder on the desktop wherein I'll save this file. Okay, and once you save the file, you can run it and it will print whatever the command you have given under the print function here under the for loop. It will print that for you. Okay, so it's getting, I think slightly it's lagging. Okay, just hold on for a second. Yeah, so I'll save it there. So I'll put my file name here and I will, wherever you want to save it, you select the folder where you want to save it. I want it on the desktop, matrices using Python. And here my title, I'll put it as for loop. Okay, for loop, and I'll save it. So after saving it, it will run and another file will be open. A Python idle file will be open automatically, which will give you the output. Okay, so on the left hand side in that file, I've given the commands for the for loop. I've told Python to print square of each entry in the list A, and on the right hand side file, it has given me the output. And yeah, you can see the output. All the elements of the list are being squared here. Okay. Now, if you don't have a list, okay, I'll close this file where the output had come, and I'll go to my Python file again. Okay, I'll open my Python file again. And let's say I don't have a list now. Okay, so without the list, how I will do such a process? So what I can say is, again I'll begin with a for loop. For now that I was just a dummy variable, there you can put anything. I can put the word dog. Okay, for dog in, now I don't have a list with me, so I can say range, and I'll give the range here in round brackets, and I will end that with a colon because the for loop ends with this. Now when I put the range here, I have to put the starting point and the ending point. Let's say I start from a number, let's say I'll start from 5. So Python will start counting from 5, but whichever endpoint you put, it will not count that and it will stop one step before it. So let's say I tell Python to go up till 10. So this will consider numbers from 5 up till 9 and the number 10 will not be considered. Okay, so I'll press enter there. So as you can see, again the automatic indentation will come. I'll show you that again. So I'll hit enter here. So that's my automatic indentation. Don't disturb the indentation, otherwise you'll be getting an error. Okay. So whatever for dog in this range, what I want to do is I want to print whatever operation you want. You can apply here. Let's say I want to take cubes now. Okay, so I will have to take a dog. That's the entry that I've given, and I will have to cube it. That means I'll raise it to the power 3. Okay, and I will again go and click on the run in the run module here. Again, it will ask you to save the file. So I'll say, okay, save the file. And again, it will give you the output. So the second output is the cubes now that you can see. Okay, starting from 125. So 125, these are the outputs of the previous for loop, above 36. And so this is 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. So it has not touched 10. If you see, it will end at 9, one number before your ending limit. Okay, so this is how for loop works. Basically, it will repeat the process. Whatever command you give, it will keep on repeating that. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.